Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download Netflix application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Netflix application on your iPhone is easy. Open up your app store, but also make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Soon after you open up your app store, bring up the search box and type in Netflix into the search box. Once you perform your search, right next to the Netflix application, tap the download button to begin the application download process. Netflix is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of award-winning TV shows, movies, animes, documentaries, and much more. Once the application is downloaded, tap the open button to launch Open Netflix on your mobile device quick and easy. Now you can go ahead and sign into your Netflix account in order to start streaming movies, animes, or documentaries of your choice. That was how you can easily download Netflix application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If the video was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Stay tuned till then.